In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Chromebook touchscreen that's not responding, lagging, or stopped working completely. If your Chromebook touchscreen isn't working, it's usually caused by a temporary system glitch, disabled touch input, outdated software, or calibration issues. You might notice taps not registering, delayed responses, or the screen working sometimes and failing other times. Don't worry, I'll walk you through proven fixes that restore touch functionality, and in most cases, just one method is enough to solve the problem. Now, here's how you can solve it. Method 1. Restart your Chromebook. First, restart your Chromebook normally. This clears temporary bugs that often break touch input. A simple restart fixes touchscreen issues more often than you'd expect. Method 2. Check if touchscreen is disabled. Press Shift+T on your keyboard. This shortcut toggles touchscreen input on and off. Try touching the screen again to see if it responds. Method 3. Update Chrome OS. Click the time in the bottom right corner. Go to Settings, About Chrome OS, check for updates. Install any available updates and restart. Outdated software can cause touch features to stop working. Method 4. Run a hardware reset. Turn off your Chromebook. Press and hold refresh, then tap power. Release both buttons when the Chromebook turns back on. This resets hardware connections without deleting your data. Method 5. Clean the screen. Use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to clean the screen. Oil, dirt, or moisture can interfere with touch sensitivity. Method 6. Power wash, last option. If the touch screen still doesn't work, perform a power wash. Go to Settings, Advanced, Reset Settings, Power Wash. This restores factory settings and fixes deep system issues. Important notes. If none of these methods work, the touch panel may need repair. And that's it. Your Chromebook touchscreen should now be working normally again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Chromebook fixes.